Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called DICE, D-I-C-E. This is the ransomware that attacks many Windows computers. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover them. Anyway, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, but unfortunately, because of this ransomware, the files may be very easily encrypted. The ransomware is called DICE because it encrypts files and appends this DICE extension to the file names. The ransomware also reveals the ransom note, indicating the ransomware requirements and mentioning that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. The best place for you to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to click on this blue start scan button. Initially the software will be in the trial mode, as I said, so click on the start scan. The application, when you start it for the first time, will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. So do not skip this very important step. Make sure that the antivirus database is successfully updated. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to add certain folders that will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. This feature, of course, is the part of the premium license only. And Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying and deleting this ransomware, but with premium license, it will even protect your computer ahead of time from being contaminated with this ransomware. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.